Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So guys, as you already know that Ovuyogazi just got, do you say, but yes, you do, we do say someone is married when they have been paid lobola for. Yeah, they're married customarily, right? So now that Vuyogazi just got married, just got slash locholwat, Ubaba Mseleku is hurt. He is hurt, guys. So okay, yesterday he posted a picture of Usingabako on his Instagram, and people were commenting saying that, oh, bantu kehlala bantu li hurt just because Uvuyo left the Zoom meeting. Guys, honestly, I completely understood the comments from people. Of course, some comments, many comments are a little bit disrespectful, guys. But some comment, even in the midst of being disrespectful, there will be an element of truth on those comments, right? Someone said that, okay, I won't say it verbatim, right? Someone said that, Ubaba Mseleku, Lompumelelo, they have been, taking these ladies for granted. The girls that Mpumelelo has been dating, they have been taking those girls for granted. Angathi nje bona they have the power over those girls. Okay, now, firstly, bekuthiwe Uvuyo is going to be umamkhulu. Okay, now change of plans. Sekufunakala virgin. Hayibo, how do you do that? Yo guys, after giving them 2 kids, now now we want a virgin. And Ubaba Mseleku was behind that. There was another episode where he was with Mpumelelo. Ethi Mpumelelo, awusho wena ubumthembisile yini Uvuyo ukuthi uzaba yi first wife? And then Mpumelelo says no, because vele ekuqaleni kwakulo noMpumelelo, so she was never gonna be the first wife. And Ubaba Mseleku was like, sho ukuthi vele she was never gonna be the first wife. Ngathi hayibo, Baba Mseleku, Uvuyo, they have called her umamkhulu emzumbe. They've given her a false hope bamuthi yena uzaba umamkhulu, and she has 2 kids with Mpumelelo. She was literally umamkhulu wama girlfriends. Now they wanted to put her, ukuthi abe number 2, and they were bekubona kufine nje. Mpumelelo athi yena uyindoda engajikiyo decision yakhe. If he makes a decision, he makes a decision. Now Vuyo has moved on. Despite the fact that even the guy that Vuyo moved on with is a bit shady, is a bit, scandalous and all that. But okusalayo is that she has showed them that they don't have her wrapped under their fingers. She is her own woman. She left with those 2 kids. She left. Oh wow. Guys, Ubaba Mseleku, people on the comment section, but Ubaba Mseleku is hurt, because Uvuyo is gone. Now he's posting a baby Singabako, maybe to try and show what phela ngeke vele apostu tirelo. You get it? Ngeke phela postu tirelo. But now he's posting baby Singabako to sort of say, show tirelo, no tirelo, we love you, please don't go and all that. But it's too late. He was supposed to, honestly guys, Ubaba Mseleku was supposed to guide Mpumelelo into doing the right things, because he had the power to. Honestly, he had the power to. Fail, they have to learn ukuthi they don't have women wrapped around their fingers. Women do make their decisions. They can say, you know what, enough is enough, and they leave. This was a good lesson to them and other men. A very good lesson that a woman can leave you with 2 kids and move on. Shut the girl with another man, because they say another man's trash is another man's what? But like another man's trash is another man's, I don't know, apple of an eye, something like that, Omunye enye indoda nje ngambona ugeli ithi yo nkosi yami with 2 kids angisamfuna ngaleso sikhathi leyo ndoda is the father of the kids. Oh my word. But to another man, you are still a beautiful lady and all that. Kahle usuke vele uyi-beautiful lady. Yikuthi nje le imen le nje I don't know ke sokusuka sokungena nekhanda. So anyways, people are saying ubaba uMseleku will learn ukuthi afundise uMpumelelo. This has to be a lesson to him. Hey, someone on the comment section said ukuthi baba uMseleku with 4 wives you still do I don't even want to, uyiqedisa leyo, but ubethi khona like ngamazwi angathi ahloniphekile was trying to say ukuthi you have 4 wives, we're expecting ukuthi like you teach uMpumelelo like ama lessons director in a proper way, umfundisa ukuthi like umuntu wesifazana uphathwa kanje, this is how you have to live and all that. Hi, this route that you are taking leyo ukuthi uyathembisa umuntu uthi uzaba ngumamkhulu uzuhamba uyothembisa kibo abazali baleyo girl, uqede lapho ubuyijike wena uthi sufuna itshitshi phezulu uzalisa lo girl 2 kids. No ways, it doesn't work like that. Okunye guys, I've always ngendlela bengibuka ngayo nje uthando nesithembu and ingane zesithembu, I've always had that feeling yokuthi it seems like ubaba uMseleku always had a soft spot for Uvuyo. It's like he just loved Uvuyo for some reason. He probably wished ukuthi Uvuyo nje athathwe uMpumelelo, be it uba I don't know first wife or second wife or third wife, but umfuna nje kwaMseleku, ubaba uMseleku Uvuyo. But now that Uvuyo has said, you know what, if you love me you wouldn't treat me the way you are treating me now. I don't deserve this. Hey guys, she doesn't deserve that. No woman deserves that kind of disrespect. Yes, it disrespect. Ubaba Mseleku has shown on the show ukuthi he does have a soft spot for Uvuyo, but like leyo soft spot indlela evela ngayo, it's not the way. It's not the way. And another thing, remember uMpumelelo said that now ufuna i-virgin abadala sebahamba, ama in-laws aseyahambayo aseyashonayo, right? And then number 2 who is Uvuyo now, kaMseleku ngokababa, number 2 Uvuyo, lo ohambileyo, lo ose married nguye obe ngokaMseleku. Maybe that's why it's hurting the most. And then uTirelo ke ube ngwakhe uMpumelelo usasengwakhe, and uTirelo is still there phela. uTirelo ube usasekhona so ngokaMpumelelo. Uvuyo nguye obe ngokaMseleku. Mhlambe that's why he is hurting, because no, he's hurting. Ama signs, you don't phela, if you are hurt you don't have to uhamba utshela umuntu ukuthi no I'm hurt. Ama signs and symptoms ayabonisa. Ubonakala nje supposta nje izinto eziyale ukuthi you are hurt khona kushaya amanzi. So hayi siyabona ama signs and symptoms ubaba uMseleku ukuthi ilento le yenziwe nguVuyo le ibuhlungu kibo. Because guys, remember on the other episode of Uthando Nesithembu, was it no ingane zesithembu, uMpumelelo when he was telling ubaba uMseleku ukuthi uVuyo said it's over, we must go our separate ways. Ubaba uMseleku wambuza ukuthi uyaqala ukusho yini lokho. uMpumelelo wathi no, she always says that. Wahle ubaba uMseleku wathi ha okusho ukuthi she's going to come back phela ngoba vele she usually says I'm leaving, and then she comes back. It seems like this time it was for good. But it seems like this time it was for good. Uvuyo is now a gone girl. Hi Shem. I just hope they learn their lesson. I hope uMpumelelo nje. Ukuthi guys, uMpumelelo I don't know man. I don't know. Ukuthi uMpumelelo nje ubesebonisa nje ukuthi yena ngathi nje akasamthanda uVuyo, akasamthandi nje, akasafuni nje anything to do with uVuyo. I feel like the person who is more hurt is ubaba uMseleku more than uMpumelelo. I think Ubaba Mseleku is more hurt more than Mpumelelo. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next one. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye.